That's what I'm listening to, by the way, guys.
I'm Mr. Gates. Come to making this cake. Ask your father, dope harder than paper mache. Bet maybe on the Lakers up your taser. I'ma waste you if you're painting, seeking training with this game, and I'ma lace you. I've been in and out Decatur, Adidas with the laces. Front seat at the races, misplacing of my bracelet. But I'm saying, I am not picking for different roles. I'm not kidding you, kidding, I'm like a 10-year-old. I got my winter clothes, couple track jackets, and the hats matching Glock 40. This is black magic.